Hi bro, if you want to get big and strong with street lifting and you have zero money and you are broke, this is the exact same guide that I used to get huge and strong as hell with a budget from 50 to max. I literally mean like max 250 euros, nothing more. And at the end of this video, I'm going to teach you how to get 160 kilograms of weight for just 40 euros. So listen up. And the reason why I'm recording this video is because a video popped up with 50,000 views, which I would be lucky if I got like 1,000 for this video. And this guy was like extremely frugal street lifting under 50 bucks. And he told you to get weight in kettlebells and you can get max 70 kilograms. And then he told you that he doesn't want to include weight. And he didn't even tell you how to get a bar and squat rack for really cheap, because he thinks that street lifting is just pull-ups and dips, and he probably skips legs because I don't know. And he just didn't give good recommendations, and you can see at how he was explaining it that he isn't passionate about it and he didn't do it this way. He got all of the expensive stuff from the beginning, not like me. I've built my first home gym from scratch. It was just a garage and I managed to load it up with weight, belts, pull-up bars, dip bars, everything you need, like literally under 200 bucks. I didn't spend money, and I'm going to teach you how to get stuff for free in this video. So the first thing that we are going to address is the dip bar and the pull-up bar. The thing that you shouldn't buy at all is, I think it's called a power tower. It's like the thing that you hang on your wall. You have this pull-up bar with a max load of 70 kilograms or I don't know what, and also a dip station that is probably too wide and it isn't competition valid, and the bar is like really thin and that's not the width of the bar that you use on competitions and all of the stuff like that. This isn't the way to go. The way to go, there are actually 2 or 3 ways. But yeah, the first thing I want to go over is the gymnastic stuff when you have like the bars, horizontal bars, is like all from wood, out of really strong wood. What one of my friends has, it is a dip bar and a pull-up bar in the same thing. So you just grab it, you hook it, and you can do pull-ups. And I did like 50 kilogram pull-ups on there and it didn't even budge. And then you can flip it around and you can do dips on there, which is like crazy. I was like, why didn't I think about this when I started working out? And he told me that it cost 40 bucks. Literally something for free. I actually made one of these because I was so inspired, and it is from one piece. No moving parts. That's the best part. When you have no moving parts, it's way harder to actually break it. So it's literally 2 bars like this, 2 bars like this, a hook, and then you can grab another piece, which is a pull-up bar, and you can just slide it in there, hang it, do pull-ups. When you don't want to do that, throw it away, put it down and do dips. Really easily. It is a dip station. This is if you have a bit more money. It costs from 70 to 150 euros. I saw one, it's probably like 110, I don't remember, from Amazon, and it is in one piece. It's like a V-shaped thing that it's around this high, which is awesome because you don't want to buy those ugly ones that then you need to, bend your legs to get really deep. No. Then you have a wall-mounted pull-up bar. Never a door-mounted pull-up bar because those are really cheap, and you have these weird foam handles that are just bad for your grip because people that use door frame pull-up bars have probably pussy hands. But a wall-mounted pull-up bar isn't one of the best because you don't want it to be really close to your wall, because then when you load up some weight, you are going to scrape the wall, obviously, and you also can't do muscle-ups and you can't even swing. And if the pull-up bar is far enough from the wall, it can probably rip the wall apart. So what you want is a ceiling and wall-mounted pull-up bar, the one that I have and the one that I made on my own for 0 money. I got it for free. So there is a bunch of different ways to get a dip bar and a pull-up bar, but you need to get creative. Also, the best thing that you can do is to find a calisthenics park that you can run every time you go and work out. You can run to the calisthenics park, and it doesn't matter if it's scorching hot, if it is cold, if it is snowing, if it is raining, it doesn't matter. You can go there and do a workout. That's what I used to do, because that builds discipline. And now when I have a fully stacked home gym, the barrier to entry to work out is this small. And the barrier to entry to start a workout when I used to run there and train in the cold and in the hot, it was like this big. So now it's easier for me to train. So if you start really easily, you work out at home, you don't need to do that much, and then something gets more difficult, you are going to stop working out. That's why I really recommend you to go and work out at a calisthenics park, and you have it for free. The next thing is a squat rack and a bar for squats. A bar for squats, literally like a bar. If you are really frugal, you can just grab a 30mm pipe in diameter and do squats with that. But in the local gym shop, you can buy one for 21 euros. Now, squat rack. You just need somewhere to place the bar. It's really simple. Or if you can't figure out a place like that, or if you don't want to build some of them, you can buy for 30 euros, I think it was, extendable up and down racks that you can place the bar on. Easy. Now, a belt for squats. This is my brother's squat belt. It costs 100 euros and it is from Strength Shop. And when it's discounted, it costs only 70. Here is my lifting belt and it cost 40 bucks. This is our really old lifting belt and it cost, I don't know, 15 euros because I bought it from a friend that didn't use it. Now, belt for weighted calisthenics. You can buy a belt like this for 30 to 40 euros. This is my weight belt that I made on my own from leather and pieces of steel. It is made to my size, like this. It fits perfectly and it held 180 kilograms without breaking or making any noise that it struggles. And it is so comfortable. Now, before we get into how you get the weight for so cheap, it is the lesson that you are supposed to take from this video, is that you need to be smart and you need to get creative. The way that you get a dip bar, pull-up bar, squat rack, weight belt, everything, is that you make it on your own. The way that I got my wall and ceiling mounted pull-up bar and a dip bar is that I went to my godfather's steelworking shop, like a small steelworking shop, and I gave him this paper, how much would it cost to make. He said me a price. How much it will cost to make if I helped your workers do it, if I just came there for a summer job, you can call it, and build my own equipment. He said this price, much cheaper. And what if for the next month, when you call me, I came to your job site to do some work that you want me to do? And he said, then I will make it for free. So I went there, I helped the workers cut the steel, weld it together and make it exactly the same how I want it to be. And then for the next month, I came there almost 3 times a week only to do some work. And it was absolutely worth it. That's how you got this. And that's how you get the squat rack. What you need is you need a platform, so a 3mm thick sheet steel with a bar like this welded on top with a Y shape on it. So you can just put the bar there. And you can do this in the exact same way. Even if it isn't your family, you can go to the random steelworking shop, give them the papers and ask them how much it will cost to make this. They will give you a price. How much would it cost if I came there and helped you build it? They gave you a new price. How much would it cost? How many months or weeks of my work it would cost to come here and help you with some stuff in order to get it for free? And he will tell you how many times you need to go there or how many hours you need to work there. This is how you get stuff for free. Now, weight. How you get the weight? I did this for our local calisthenics park. You buy concrete pavements for 10 bucks each, and you buy 2 of them. One weighs 80 kilograms, and you buy it for 10 bucks. Then you borrow from somebody, you knock on doors and shit like that, and you ask them if they have like an angle grinder that can cut through concrete. You cut the concrete pavements into pieces, you weigh them, this one is a kilogram heavier. You grab a hammer or a chisel and you hammer it until a small chunk breaks off. You don't want to split it in half and stuff like that. And then you weigh it again. Oh, now the weight is perfect. You move that to the side, you cut another one and you make 5 kilogram, 15 kilogram, 20 and you divide the big one into 2 pieces so you have a 40 kilogram one and do stuff like this. Then you grab, knock on doors, ask family members, I don't care what you do, and you borrow a drill, a big drill that can drill through concrete, and you also buy a 30 or grab a 30 millimeters in diameter drill and you drill a hole through the center of it. So you can load it onto the squat bar. And this was the full guide for super frugal street lifters. If you like this video, make sure to like. And if you want to show me how this video helped you, please make sure to comment. I think this is a completely unique point of view for training if you are young and broke like I used to be. If you want to ask me questions about it, you can follow me on Instagram because I post daily content there, and feel free to DM me. I'll be happy to help you. So take care, bro. You got this.